नमः विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमती भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनीति नामिनी नमस्ते सरस्वती देवं गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणी वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरतुसे नमः। One and all, ladies and gentlemen and devotees, that you have come here and you have given me an opportunity to do some Hari Kirtan or tell you about something about Hari, the Supreme Lord. You should know it very well that this material world in which we are living is not at all a fit place for any gentleman to live. This is Dukkhalayam. This is filled with miseries. Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. Birth, death, old age and disease. These are miseries. This is filled. These are filled. This miserable place. Every step there is danger. Pade pade bipadang. So many problems. So, all the great Mahajanas, all the scriptures, Vedic scriptures, they say, this is Dukkhalayam. This is a place which is full of miseries. So, this is not at all a fit place for any gentleman to live. But anyhow, we are here. And we are afflicted with such miseries. Nobody is free from it. However great he may be. The demigods in the heaven, the chief of the demigods, Brahma, he is also not free from it. Anyhow, we have been here and we are afflicted with these miseries because we have forgotten the Supreme Lord Hari. Krishna bhuli sahi jiva anadi bahirmukho ataiv mayatare deo sansaradi dukkha. And dukkha means miseries. We are bound up with Maya Shakti, external energy, and illusory energy of the Lord. Therefore, we are afflicted with these miseries. We are suffering in this material world as we have forgotten the Supreme Lord Krishna. Forgetting Krishna, we have come here. If you remember Krishna, again, you will go back home, back to Godhead. Chit Jagat, spiritual world. There is a world which is known as Chit Jagat, spiritual world. The Lord's kingdom, the kingdom of the Lord. That is our real home. Because we are spirit souls, we are not this body. Here everybody, being illusion, by illusory energy, thinks this body, the self. Dehatma buddhi, we say it, Dehatma buddhi. Thinking this body, the self, Srimad Bhagavatam says, Jasyatma buddhi kunapi tridhatu ki sodhi kalatradi subhama jadhi jatirtha buddhi salile karichit janesu abhigyesu sayeva gokhara. Bhagavat says this thing. Jasyatma buddhi kunapi tridhatu ki. What is this body? This is a kunapa. Kunapa means a bag. This is a bag filled with tridhatu. Vato, pito, kopho. You may say. Vato, pito, kopho. Tridhatu. It is filled with, this bag is filled with tridhatu. Vato, pito, kopho. Jasyatma buddhi kunapi tridhatu ki. One thinks this bag filled with tridhatu, the self. So the kalatradisu bhamijyadhi. Those who are related to this body, Sodhi, Kalatra, wife, sons, daughters, so-called relatives, friends, kith and kin, they are mine. Those are related to this body. Sodhi, Kalatra, Disu, Bhaumijjadhi. Another thing is Bhaumijjadhi, the body in which land it's born. In which land this body is born, that land is to be worshipped. Bhaumijjati, that land is to be worshipped. They don't know the only worshipable deity is the Supreme Lord Hari. Sarvaradhya, Sarvapujya, Krishna. The Supreme Lord Krishna is the only worshipable body, deity. They don't know this thing. And they think this body, this self, and my wife, my children, sons, daughters, so-called kith and kin, friends, they are mine. Janesu avigyesu soiva gokhara. Bhagavad says, he should not be considered as a human being. This is not human intelligence in a real term. What is he? Soiva gokhara. Is go, cow, khara, and ass. This is the intelligence of animals. This is not human intelligence. It should not be considered if someone thinks like that. So, you should think it of. We have taken this rare form of life, human form of life, but we are thinking like this. So, everybody thinks this body is very dear to everybody, every person. And all are toiling very hard to give pleasure to this body. And they think this is the be-all and end of their life. We should give pleasure to this body, therefore we are born. If this body is so dear to you, you are always thinking of this body. Have you any control over this body? Can you keep up this body forever? You have no control over this body. This body dies. You die. Then, what is this intelligence? One should think of very seriously. Why I am toiling so hard day and night? You are working in the factory, earning money. Kar lagi auto koro. Na ghuchilo brahma. Why are you working? Why are you earning money? For whom? Kar lagi auto koro. Na ghuchilo brahma. You see? Why am I doing? Why am I earning money? Why am I toiling so hard to give pleasure to this body? But this body dies. I cannot keep up this body. And the so-called family men, wife, children, for them, for the maintenance of the family, they are not also. They are also dying. Every day, this is ignorance. Out of ignorance. There is a specific span of life. Are you sure? Specific period of life, span of life, it is determined. This body will last for that period. Then death will come. Death is inevitable. Mrityoham sarvaharascha. Bhagavad Gita Krishna says, nobody wants death, mrityu, but it comes. It finishes all your plans, projects, everything. How the lifespan is going on, day and night. Bhagavad says, Nidraya hyoti noktum vyavayinuchava boyo. Divachartho hayen rajan kutumba bharani nova. Dehapatya kalatradisu atma sainyassu asatsu tesam pramatta nidhanam pasyannapi na pasyat. You should take lessons in the scripture. There's the words of the Supreme Lord. Nidraya hyoti noktum vyavayinuchava boyo. All the night is spent in sleeping, nidraya. And bebayo, in sexual enjoyment with your wife, the night is spent. Diva chartyayan rajan kutumba varanino ba. how the daytime is spent. अर्थोपार्जन, earning money, चार्थ, दिवाचार्थयाना कुटुंब भरणीयनवा, for the maintenance of the family. The daytime is spent in this way. Day after day, night after night, day after day after day, it's going on. Your lifespan is going shorter. You are going nearer to death. Ayu parati vaipunsang udayanustoha. By the sunrise and sunset, your ayu, your span of life is growing shorter and shorter. If day passes, the span of life is shorter, one day shorter. And you are going nearer to death. You see, one should think it up. Dehapatya kalatradisu atmasanyasva asatsvapihi. Tesam pramatma nidhanam pasyannapi na pasyati. This body is temporary. Who can say? ये जीवन अनिश्चित के जाने कहारो आजी मृत्यु काल हुई जी उपस्थित. It is uncertain. Death is uncertain. When this body will be finished, you don't know. You have no control over this body. Death may come today to somebody, or next day, or after few days, after 1 year. It's uncertain. Dehapatya kalatra adisu atmasanyasva, it's all asat, it's all temporary. It's not sat, it's not real. And those who are related to body, apatyo, kalatro, this body is temporary. The relatives are related to body, the wife, children, friends, kith and kin, all this is temporary. You see, they are dying. You will die. They are dying. Every day you see, all are dying. Tesam pramatma nidhanam pasyannapi na pasyati. But we are so much delusioned. Though we see it, we cannot see it. Pasyannapi na pasyati. Though we see it, we cannot see it. In Mahabharata, there is one question. Kimascharjam? Dharmavaka asked this question to Yudhishthira Maharaj. What is wonderful in this material world? Kimascharjam? What is wonderful? Yudhishthira Maharaj answers. Ahani bhutani gachanti jama mandiram. Sesa ajivitam icchanti kimascharjam atapara. Every day, ahani means day. Every day, so many are going to Jam Mandir, so many are dying. You see it. One who sees, he thinks, oh, he dies. I won't die. I will live. I won't die. Sesa jivitum icchanti. He wants to live. No, I won't die. He dies. I won't die. I will live here. This is most wonderful thing.